Hello viewers, today's video topic is mega menus. We have multiple types of menus, navigation menus, mega menus and pop-up menus. So in today's video, we'll focus only on how we can create a mega menu. If you look right now, we have a mega menu showing here. This is exactly what a mega menu is. So how you can build this is what we will learn in today's video. So let's move on to our first step. First, we'll go to our admin dashboard, then to sidebar menu QWP and theme builder. As you know, our theme builder helps us create custom headers, footers, single, archive, WooCommerce shop, mega menu and 404 pages. So we'll click on add new template. From here we'll select what we want to create. So we'll select mega menu here. We'll name our mega menu new or just mega new. This is basically the name of our menu. It's custom. So you can name it whatever you like. With the help of display conditions, you can display it anywhere. So here you haven't set any display option yet. These are just general options for all. So save and edit it. When you click save and edit, the system will redirect you to Elementor. Now at this point, we've come into Elementor. Here we need to create our mega menu according to our design, our requirements and the structure we have. We'll follow that structure and create our mega menu accordingly. So let's proceed. Our first step is to take one main container and set it to full width. Now I'd like to give you an overview of the mega menu again. If you look at the mega menu here, you'll see that it has two columns with headings: Barge, Bras and Karuziski. So if you also want to create a mega menu like this, so as you saw, we had 3 items and 2 columns, making a total of 5 columns. Basically, we add one more container. Now, we need to meticulously divide our primary main container into 5 distinct sections. We'll consistently keep duplicating these sections. You also have the option to drag and drop them again, but duplicating is generally a bit faster and allows you to add multiple containers very quickly and efficiently. As you can clearly see, right now we currently have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A total of 5 individual containers have been successfully added. However, these are presently arranged vertically, whereas in the mega menu example we previously observed, they were arranged horizontally. So to rectify this, we'll simply click on the main container and then proceed to set its display property to horizontal, or more specifically display flex. Now you can clearly see that we have successfully arranged 5 containers in the desired horizontal layout. Now in the first container, we'll place a heading first, which we'll name fans. Below that, to add multiple options, we can utilize anything. So first, let's adjust the settings for the heading we just added. First, we will meticulously change its vibrant color, then precisely center it using the comprehensive display settings. And within the typography section, we will carefully assign it a very specific and appropriate font size. Now, as you saw, below the heading, we had a list of items. Now, if you want to assign a link to the fan, you can also add a link here. Now let's add list 1. Now the list has been added. If we want to move their icons, we can move them. If you don't want to add them, you can leave them out as well. We have denim jeans, we have dresses. Now what we did is, we gave our own names to the default list. We want to add one more, casual, and we'll move its icon as well. If you want to keep the icon, that's perfectly fine. Now these are showing up right behind the pants. Now we need to center them. Just like we centered the pants by going into the style and setting display to center, we'll do the same for these set their display to center as well. We'll set space between. If you want to make further changes in typography, you can come here and make those changes, like changing the text color or adjusting the text. If you want to increase the boldness or the weight, you can basically do that from the settings as you prefer. Now, instead of creating it again, let's just duplicate it. When we duplicate it, it will be created automatically because we've added one extra. So we'll just move it one more time. Now let's change its heading. Let's set it to shirts. Now for the remaining three containers, we want to add images. So first we need to drag and drop the image tag. First select this container, choose an image, and for each container add the images of your choice as you like. You can see that this image we have is small, while the sizes of the other images are a bit larger. We can also assign a height to it, but if we want to use an image of exactly the same size, we can also change our image. Now all the images have been changed. Now we want to assign a heading below each image so that our visitors, our viewers can know what it is for. So let's suppose, for instance, that we have successfully assigned a specific heading with the distinct name poster overs. We will then proceed to meticulously set its color to a deep rich black. Furthermore, by carefully navigating into the typography section, we will precisely adjust and determine its overall size and dimensions. In precisely the same way, we will now add another distinct heading with the next visual image, for example, shirts. Just like we meticulously did before, we will consistently keep changing the background color and precisely assign the appropriate text size accordingly. Now we have the last one left. So for the last one, we'll add a heading just like before to enhance its appearance. We've kept the same color and size. So here too we'll use the same color and the same size. So basically our menu is now ready and we'll go ahead and publish it. Now, where we want to place this menu is entirely up to us. We can put it anywhere on the page. However, it's usually placed in the header. If we want to add it to the header, we'll edit the page with Elementor. Once our header is open for editing with Elementor, a powerful and intuitive drag and drop website builder, we can easily add the sophisticated mega menu right here within our page. Our page has now been successfully edited and is ready for further customization. To proceed, we navigate to this specific section of the page. Here, by coming to this designated area and adding a new element, we can then utilize the search bar to look for mega menu. Once found, you can then proceed to style it further according to your specific design preferences and brand guidelines. This includes a wide range of customization options. For instance, if you wish to change its typography, adjusting the font family, size, and weight, you have the complete flexibility to do that as well, ensuring a cohesive and visually appealing navigation system for your website visitors. Now you can see what is being shown here are mega menu has appeared. We selected the mega menu from here. Which menu do we want to display? Do we want to show the nav menu, a custom menu, or the mega menu? As I mentioned to you at the start, we can create different types of menus. We will select the mega menu from here because we're talking about the mega menu. We have created one mega menu called mega new, and we need to select it. Now you can see that our mega menu is showing up very high in the header and it looks bad. To align it, we will simply go to the settings. In the advanced settings, we will give it a margin of 20 pixels or whatever is required and adjust it accordingly. We can also give it a padding of 10 pixels and we will reduce the margin a bit. Now, our mega menu has been successfully added to the header section. If you save your changes, we have indeed saved the modifications. Then proceed to your home page, reload the entire page, and then carefully check whether the changes are accurately reflected or not. You can see that the mega menu option has appeared in our header. When we hover over it, you can see that we haven't assigned a background color to the mega menu yet. But basically, our mega menu is looking very beautiful. If we assign a background color to it, its beauty will increase even more. We'll go back to Elementor where we created the mega menu. This is basically our comprehensive mega menu. We will carefully select its primary main container, then proceed to its detailed style settings, and subsequently assign a distinct background color. We have successfully given it a clean, crisp white background. Now if we go back to our home page and reload the page, we can see our mega menu in a beautiful view. Now, as you can see, our mega menu is looking really beautiful. Finally, I would like to guide you about one last thing. If you look, all the text here is completely static text. Now, if you want this text to be clickable, right now it's not clickable, then you simply need to go and click on each icon, on each text. After clicking, come to the content section. Here is where we have it. Now, if you want to add something, or if you want to redirect them to any page, we can add their URL here. If there is any option available in dynamic text, we can redirect it there as well. So let's add a custom link. We have just successfully assigned the custom link to the home section within our denim category. We have meticulously saved all the recent changes. Now let's come back and finally reload the page to observe the updates. As you can clearly see, our mega menu is now fully visible and operational, and we had previously assigned a specific link to denim so that it would be readily clickable. This particular demonstration was intended to help you thoroughly understand the comprehensive process of how you can make any given text element on your website truly clickable and interactive. Now, this denim link is indeed fully clickable. If you proceed to click on it, you will immediately observe that our designated page will begin to load, and it will subsequently redirect us directly to the homepage link that we meticulously added earlier. Alright, at this precise moment, we have been successfully redirected to the home page, confirming the functionality. So let's go back once more, take one final comprehensive look at our newly configured mega menu, and then we can effectively wrap up today's informative video session. So this is our fully functional and aesthetically pleasing mega menu. In this detailed video, I sincerely hope you have definitely learned the essential steps of how to effectively create a mega menu from scratch and how to further configure its various intricate settings to suit your specific needs. I genuinely hope you won't face any significant challenges now that you have this knowledge. But if you still encounter any issues or require further assistance, our comprehensive documentation will undoubtedly provide you with all the necessary help and guidance. Thank you so very much for taking the time to watch this video. Please take good care